So what is computer network? Basically we have social network, that means Facebook, Instagram, these kind of thing. But when it comes to computer network, that means we are communicating with two devices using a link, that means cable or wireless medium, and we are sending some information, right? So do this task you need the transmission medium. So basically we are using Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Then after, for this thing you can use, I'm going to open laser, right? So here you can see we have two devices, right? This is simple network. So each of these device we are calling a node or end device. Then after connect these two device we need the medium. So here we can use wired medium or wireless medium. But then after, to send information we are using some rules or standard. We are calling these rules a protocol, right? Basically computer network meaning is a computer network can be described as a system of interconnected devices that can communicate using some common standard called the Internet Protocol Suite. When you take Internet Protocol Suite, we have lot of protocol, right? After that we have TCP/IP, that means Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol model, that mean basically earlier time we had OSI model, right? Open System Interconnection with the 7 layers, but now we have TCP/IP model with 4 layers, right? So when you send some information, that packet will go through these 4 layers. So we have basically transport layer, application layer, then after internet layer and network layer when it comes to TCP/IP. When it comes to OSI layer, we have physical layer, data link layer, transport layer, network layer, session layer, application layer and presentation layer. We have this kind of thing, right? So here you can see we have one simple network which is made using the packet tracer. So we are calling this device a router, right? So we are using router to connect two different network. If you want to connect two different network, then you can use a router, right? So that is the task of router. Then this device we are calling a switch. Basically we are using switch to connect internal device. For example, in our local area network, in our LAN, we can connect our end device into one switch. Then after, through that switch we can connect to the internet, right? Through the router. With the network topology above, all the devices on the network can communicate with each other, right? So this device can connect with this one, this device can connect with this one. We can communicate with each and every device. So to communicate we are using IP address to identify these devices. When it comes to computer network type, we have 5 types, right? So we have local area network, then after personal area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network and wireless local area network. So local area network mean, so for example, if you have a small network or medium sized network like one building or school or one company, then you can create a small network which is known as local area network. Then after we have personal area network. So for example, you have your smartwatch in your hand, then after mobile phone in your pocket. On that time you have a network which is based on the Bluetooth, right? So basically distance of the personal area network is around 10 meters, right? So that mobile phone and smartwatch is one example for the personal area network. Then after we have metropolitan area network. It is like a city, right? For example, you have multiple companies located in one city. Then after you can take this as a metropolitan area network, or else you can identify one city as a metropolitan area network. So which is located in a single geographic location. So for that you can identify city or town. Then after we have wide area network. That means we are calling this WAN also, right? WAN mean basically you can take internet as a wide area network example. So it will cover the large area like different states or countries or entire globe. Finally we have wireless local area network. We are calling this one WLAN. So for this we are using wireless technologies such as Wi-Fi and other technologies. Mainly we have local area network, metropolitan area network and wide area network when it comes to type of network. Here we have local area network. Think this as our company, right? So in our company we have router which will connect us to the internet and our network. Then after, by using this router we can connect to our end device, right? So one cable will go to one PC, one cable will go to another PC, then at modem, printer, then at Wi-Fi access point. By using Wi-Fi access point you can connect your laptop. All of these devices are end device. So basically local area network is a small location like a building or few building, so which is located in one location, right? It's not distributed. Connect device within a limited geographical area like office or home. Commonly used in small to medium sized companies. If you have a large company like Google, IBM, then you can move into the wide area network or metropolitan area network, right? Next thing is metropolitan area network. MAN or metropolitan area networks are used in a single geographic region, such as a city or town. So when you take a city, we have multiple local area network, right? So we have one company with one local area network. We have another company with another local area network. We have another local area network. So when you connect these company network into one network, you can call this a metropolitan area network. Then after, by using ISP, internet service provider, you can connect to the internet through one port, right? Finally, we have wide area network. Wide area network cover large area like different states and countries. So for example, you can take internet as an example for the wide area network. So if you take a Google company as a company, they have one headquarters in the USA, then one in the Europe, one in the Singapore. They have multiple data centers, right? Not headquarters. So when you connect these different network into one network, you can call a wide area network. So one entire country network you can take as a wide area network. We have multiple metropolitan area network connected into one network. Basically, internet is also one example for the wide area network, which connect entire globe using underground cables and satellite connection. So why we need computer network? What is the reason? Think you have a company, right? So in this company, if you aren't going to use computer networking, so I'm going to take a pen. Think you have 5 PCs in this company. 5 persons are working, right? Then for each 5 person need to print some document. Each 5 person going to print some document. Then if you are going to use network, then you have to buy a separate printer for each and every person, right? You have to buy separate printer for each and every person. Then what will be the cost, right? So printer will be take much higher cost than the device also sometime, because each and every person need to take some print. Then if there is no network, then you have to give printer for all the people. That means you have to buy 5 printers for your company. But if you have a network on that time, without buying 5 printers, you can buy one expensive printer with the high quality content. Then you can share this printer with all other people, right? So when you use computer network, you can share your resource, like a physical resource like this one, or else you can share your document with other people, right? Then after communication, that means we can communicate with other people, right? So we can send our information, we can share our message, this kind of thing we can do. Collaboration means all of these people can edit one document, right? So on that time they can perform one task by joining from different location and different time zone. They can perform one task. Access to information. When you take mobile phone or your laptop, then after you can open your browser, then after you can search anything on the internet, right? because of the internet computer network, you can have access to all the information within few fingertips, right? So these are the benefit of computer network: resource sharing, communication, collaboration, and access to information. Then what are the challenges in computer network? So when it comes to challenges, we have security challenges, reliability, performance. Security challenges mean there may be a cyber attack, right? So there may be a malware, phishing, or DDoS attack for the computer network. It will compromise our network security and lead to data breach. And also there will be unauthorized access. So if your network is not secure, then it will be vulnerable to unauthorized access. That means after that it will expose your sensitive information to the unauthorized parties, right? Then after reliability means ensuring network uptime and reliability. So if your equipment is going to fail, hardware failure or router or switch failure, on that time your entire network connection will be disrupted, right? Or else there may be a network outage. For example, there is a power outage in your area. On that time your network device will be turned off, right? Then network will be outage. Or there may be natural disasters or human errors. We need to prevent these things. Then after we have performance issues, right? So that means maintain optimal network speed and responsiveness. Sometimes you will get a higher traffic than usual. On that time your network will be overflooded, right? Then after your network will be down. So we need to prevent the latency. That means there may be delays when we request some information. We need to prevent that one. And also we need to improve our bandwidth. That means number of data you can travel in that particular medium. We need to improve that one, right?